A quick video addendum here I want to do. I changed the way the mapping of panels to telemetry windows was done. Harry and I went back and forth a couple times and felt that what we had was too confusing. So I've changed it from the way it shows up in some of video 3 and video 4. So I just wanted to do a little quick addendum on how it works now. So if I go into the emulator here and I go into the instrument panel app, you see I've got no selected panel right now, no panels read in. So if it's defaulting here to window 1, which means whatever I read in here is going to go into telemetry window 1. And I pick the chart recorder for window 1, and then I hit plus and select the concentric gauge for window 2, which you can see here is I have a button for win 1 and win 2. So if I want to take what here is the concentric panel and put it in window 1, I can do that. And then if I want to go and put the chart recorder on window 2, I can do that. So you see that window 1 and window 2 can be selected. And of course I can have if I want to have yet another panel in here, I can really have as many panels as I'd like read into here. And then this win 1 and win 2 lets me pick which one is going to be displayed in telemetry window 1, which one's displayed in telemetry window 2. And remember, you have to go into displayed telemetry and enable both window 1 and window 2 to be the instrument panel Lua window 1 and window 2. And then that way, when I come back up here to the top, you see up in the corner here, it says this is window 1, and then this is window 2. So I've got the concentric gauge in window 1 and the chart recorder in window 2. The other thing just to keep in mind, and again, something Harry and I discussed a bit, was how does the thing wake up by default? And so right now, if I go into my list of panels, the panel that is in this first position, let's go back and put this the more normal way, whichever panel is on this first line will wake up in window 1, and whichever panel is in the second line will wake up in window 2. You can change that, once you've started, but we felt that it was desirable to have a predictable behavior when the app started up. So the first one you read in, we kind of think is the most important one. The second one is maybe the second most important one, and that will show up this way in window 1 and window 2. Okay, so that's an update. I'm going to call this video 3A and put it in front of video 3, and this is an update to the later versions of how the window selection works.